with Happily Hooked. I'm so excited to have you guys here today. Right now we are starting our newest Instagram TV series. I'm going to be doing stitch tutorials for you guys. I'm so excited about it. So make sure you let me know what kind of stitches you want to see so I can get these videos out to you. We're also going to be putting these over on our YouTube channel. I'm so excited about that. We've got some pretty cool stuff happening there too, so make sure you do check that out as well. Yeah, so let me know what you guys want to see. I'm really excited to start this with you guys, so let's get started. All right, so today we're going to be learning how to do a foundation single crochet row. The reason I love this type of stitch is I really hate chaining like 100 for a large project and then having to single crochet back across that row. Because of the chains, if you don't do them at the right tension, your project will be tighter in that row and it makes seaming or putting borders on like blankets really tough. So for this tutorial, we're going to use DIY Yarn by Lion Brand. It's just a 4 medium weight yarn. And then I've got a 5mm crochet hook that I'll be using. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make a slip knot. And then we're just going to chain 2. And this chain 2 is going to be considered your first stitch, okay? And then we're going to go into this stitch, into the chain, and then we're also going to go into the bar, the back bar there, okay? And then we'll yarn over and pull up a loop. We're going to yarn over and just pull through 1. And now this is going to create the chain that's going to go across the bottom. And then yarn over and pull through 2. So then we're going to go into this bottom stitch. So this is going to be the top of your row, and this is the bottom of your row down here. So we're going to go into this bottom stitch through both bars, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're just going to keep repeating this for as many row or stitches as you're going to need. And when you're first practicing this, you might want to use like a pointier hook. But yeah, so this is what it will look like. And then as you can see, it's got like the V's on the top like we normally do. So this is where we will work back through. But you just continue doing this for as long as you need to. We'll do a couple more. And as you see, I kind of like hold it upside down. All right, and say that was as many as we needed. We would just do our chain 1 and then work back our single crochets through the top. You don't have to do anything fancy now. And it looks just like that. But it makes it so you have a full row done, and then you can just start on row 2. So if you are doing this in a pattern, and say the pattern says chain 50 and then single crochet back across that, or chain 51 or whatever, and then single crochet in the second loop across, this would just be that single crochet across. So you wouldn't have to chain and then single crochet. You would just do your foundation row and then immediately start at row 2 once you get that done. I hope this was super helpful. If you guys have any questions or need me to explain anything any further, please let me know. You can send me a DM on here, or you can comment. I'm going to put this on our grid as well. So just let me know, and let me know what other kind of stitches you guys want to see next. All right, bye.